Hey, if you've ever wanted to work with ONEIROGENS, which are dreaming plants and herbs, now could be your chance. I'm going to be running a 6-week course online and a sleepover online with the Psychedelic Society UK. And I've worked with those guys before, and they're a great place to learn about lots of different things. In this course, we're going to be looking specifically at lucid dreaming and working closely with ONEIROGENS. So throughout the course, I'll introduce you to a selection of dreaming herbs and plants. We'll be working with them through the 6 weeks. We'll also be learning lucidity techniques. I'll also guide through sleep cycles, brainwaves, the science of sleep. We'll be looking at various ways where you become more conscious and present and lucid in your waking times as well. And on the sleepover, we're going to be doing a series of meditations as well as dream tea ceremonies, wake back to bed techniques. So it'll be a pretty interesting immersive journey for the 6 weeks. Also part of the 6 weeks as well is that I'll be running a signal thread, which is a dedicated thread for us to all be in touch to talk about the process through the 6 weeks. So it will be, consistent. So it won't feel like, oh, it's just once a week that you are tuning into the dreaming practice. It will be for the entire 6 weeks. And the last class, or last course, had some really great feedback. There were people who achieved lucidity in the dreams. Some felt that their dreams were way more activated. And so this is a really great course if you are a complete beginner, but also it's great if you also have a lucid dreaming practice, but you might have fallen out of practice and you want to get activated again. And it's also a really great course if you have interest in working with plants, psychoactive plants, ONEIROGENS. Even if you're a psychonaut, this could also be part of the spectrum of your interests as well, as these little plants, I've got many of them growing behind me, are great little guides for opening up states of consciousness in the dream states, the liminal spaces, meditation. So everyone, it would be amazing to have you on board the course. You can click the link. I've made it available below, and I'm going to be running them on Sundays. And we try to make the timing really good so it doesn't matter where your time zone is in the world. So you could be tuning in from any country. My last course, I had people from all over the world, from Taiwan to Sweden to Poland to the UK to Canada and the United States. United Dreamers, let's do it. It should be a great course, and I hope to see you there.